Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have VECHAIN VET daily update. We are going to see the next price targets and some important stuff right there. If you like to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because it helps so much with daily updates. And of course, you can join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. Thank you for this support. Thank you for all who are part of this community. Right now, let's go to the next price target. So we had the GAN 2 starting from this top right here. I squared the chart because you need to square the chart first. I have used already and I have made a mini tutorial. You can check the previous Solana video on my channel on how to square the chart, okay, because it is very important. And of course, I had the GAN here that we wanted to see some important resistance levels. And the 8-1 line met exactly the 0.786 at this date that we went upwards. It was very good, very great that we met here on the exact date that we went upwards. And right now we are going to the 15.6, 16 and 16.3 Tether USD with the 13.7 being our support line for now. Okay, so great things going on right there. The volume is increasing rapidly. You can see that MACD is going all the way upwards. We like the movement of the MACD on the 4-hour frame. Let's go on the risk metrics, and on the risk metrics I will close now the drawings. On the risk metrics, we are in an overbought situation. Okay, so yeah, we are going into an overbought situation. However, we will go to the previous targets we mentioned. So we have the 20-day MA also crossing above the 50-day MA here. Yeah, the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index and the RSI are in an extreme overbought situation, but right there, I believe we are going to the next price targets before we go eventually have a correction. Let's see the daily frame. On the daily frame, bearish cross right here, a bullish recross is about to happen between the blue line and the signal line. Okay, so we are maybe have a bullish recross between the blue line and the signal line. For now, you can see that on the daily frame, we had on the SSL HYBRID a buying opportunity. Very nice buying opportunity yesterday for VECHAIN for the SSL HYBRID, and you can see that the moving average is increasing in the volume. So we had a crazy volume going on right there on the daily frame for VECHAIN. Right now on the daily we have only commodity channel index above the 100 and the others are not. Okay, so yes, that's why I believe we can make these targets. Even though on the 4-hour frame we might be correcting a little bit, on the daily we are still capable of going upwards. And you can see that we want the RSI to go above the 70. It will be very great to go above the 70 for the VECHAIN. Let's go now to the Bitcoin chart. You can see VECHAIN Bitcoin charts going absolutely crazy. We are pumping up a little bit more right here, and we want to approach some important targets. For example, we would love to see VECHAIN breaking the previous high right there for VECHAIN Bitcoin chart. Okay, so if I remove the drawings and go for the VECHAIN against Bitcoin, we can see that we are finding a little bit of a huge resistance on the 4-hour frame. That means if we make these as support level, then yes, VECHAIN can go even higher than the 16th August, okay? And it can reapproach new higher levels for VECHAIN against Bitcoin. So let's see on the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are looking good. We do not hold any oversold situation right there, guys, but we do not hold any overbought as well. You can see the RSI is now ready maybe to move upwards again. Stochastic RSI was in an oversold situation for quite some time right here. You can see on 19th April we had this high. However, right now we would love to see if we can make it even higher on the weekly frame. We are on the weekly frame, sorry. On the daily frame we are going in right now, and you can see that we made the 50-day MA as support level, and we want to see whether we can go to our previous high on the April, okay, because right there we have actually this bottom, and right here you can see that we must reapproach first this high right here, and then we have some important resistance level for VECHAIN against Bitcoin. Okay, you can see that we have the 0.50308, and then the next target will be the 0.50344. This will be the next target for VECHAIN. And let's go to the price analysis. So I do believe that VECHAIN can go into the next targets, which are the 15.1, 15.6, 16, and maybe 16.4. Okay, these are some major targets right there. You can see, according to the previous chart, we are nowhere near the top here, the 28 cents. Okay, we are nowhere near, but we are making some nice progress on going even higher and higher. Okay, at the same time, on the 4-hour frame, we have a very high risk on the RSI, commodity channel index, and the stochastic RSI as well. But I believe that because of the daily frame, we can even go higher. Okay, because only the commodity channel index is in an overbought. I do believe that VECHAIN can go to these targets right there, and especially the 15 and the 16. I am not sure about the 16.4, a very strong support level right here. It goes back then when we formed our previous all-time high, 28 cents, you can see. But for now, we are going maybe to 16.4. We will be seeing about that. Let's go to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is helping us into going even higher, okay, and even quicker. So for Bitcoin, if we go to the 51,500, it will help VECHAIN to go even faster to the next targets, because we outperform Bitcoin, okay, for the time being. Although we are in a very strong resistance level, we outperform Bitcoin. Therefore, for VECHAIN, it will be easier to go there into the next price targets. And of course, if we have a strong Bitcoin, it will help other altcoins as well. Ethereum Bitcoin chart is correcting a little bit right now. It is absolutely healthy due to the fact that we had the Ethereum pumping up. You can see we had a very high risk. Therefore, right now, the stochastic RSI is going into an extreme oversold situation. That is good as well. Maybe we are ready to pump up again soon. And this will all help VECHAIN to achieve our next price targets. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.